Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential facts, your account type and the specific issue you need the administrator to resolve. Once done, gather proof, username, recent activity timestamps, and a photo ID if required, because admins act faster with clear verification. Next, locate the correct contact channel, the admin portal link, the official admin email, or the help desk phone number. Start with the portal if available. It often logs your request automatically, which speeds up response and avoids back and forth. You now craft the request. Open the support form or email and write a concise subject. Account issue, brief summary. In the body, describe the how and why, steps you tried, exact error codes, and timestamps. Attach 1-3 screenshots. Then state desired outcome, password reset, access change, or data recovery, and set priority honestly. Before sending, attach verification and double-check contact details so the admin can reply. Submitting via the portal usually generates a ticket ID. You finish by monitoring the ticket and replying promptly when the administrator asks for more information. Quick responses close issues faster. If you receive instructions, follow them step by step and confirm successful resolution in the ticket so records are clear. Make sure to save any confirmation emails or ticket numbers. If nothing happens within the stated SLA, typically 24 to 72 hours, escalate politely to the admin's manager or use an alternate contact channel. Troubleshooting tip: if access is urgent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.